So, guys, what do you want to do today?
I'm thinking of playing the game console.
I don't know. What do you got? What do you want to do today? I was thinking, honestly, to play video games. All right.
Hey, I want to say something in your ear.
Let me go get the controllers. No, I get to play first.
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 There's an eagle here. I get to play first.
What?
I get to play first.
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 I get
Guys!
to play- What?
What? Wow, look at that bird. Did you bring that in here with you? No, it just landed right here. Did you leave a window open?
I'm scared of birds.
Well, maybe my room window. He probably saw. We gotta get it out of here before a newspaper sees it. Because remember, if he sees you, you're grounded. He can't ground me. You know what? Fine, we'll catch it. Come here, little birdie. Come here. Come here. Come here. Dang it, flew away. Because it's a bald eagle, dumbo. You can't even just grab it. You gotta... Well, you gotta grab it. Fine, we gotta get it and put it in the cage.
I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch you. Ow.
Looks like Joseph just got hit. You alright?
Don't.
Zombie alright?
Doink.
Yeah. That must hurt. Alright, let's go catch it. Yeah. Go. Look, there he is. He's landing he landed all the way over there. Alright. Zombie, you go around back where his tail is.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright.
And me and you will go up front. We'll try to chase him down or something. Got it? Alright, let's move that. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Please don't fly away. Got it! It's getting away! It's getting away! Whoa! Go! It's flying away! It's flying away! Nice job, guys! Nice job, guys! You let it get away. Let's go look for it. We looked everywhere.
We looked over.
What?
He's there!
Whoa! What is he doing?
I think that's his nest.
A nest? No. There can't be a nest. Newspaper's gonna be home any minute. Let's try leading him outside.
What about a bunny?
Oh yeah, that could work. Maybe he's hungry. Let's go get something. There, we got a rabbit. Now, maybe he'll come after it. Stay right there, bunny. Look, I think he sees it. He's going down. Here he comes. He's coming. Oh, he got the rabbit. Zombie now. Yeah, we've got you. All right. Let's go throw him out though. We gotta hurry up and throw him out.
Yeah, we gotta hurry.
Where's Piggy? Sorry guys, I was closing the window so he won't get back in. Ready to pick him up? Set. Goodbye, eagle. He gone outside. Let's go play some games. Yeah. Wait, one more thing. We like and subscribe, and we have to take down the nest. You ready, guys?
Yeah.
Come on, Yoshi.
Come on. Yeah. I can't believe it.
Yeah. Let's take down. There. Nest is destroyed. Let's go.
I'm gonna go throw it.
Like and subscribe, guys.